Jyotirmai. Today we are going to learn about knowing our numbers. Numbers are formed using 10 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can form the numbers with these 10 symbols. These symbols are called digits. We can form the numbers with these 10 symbols. These symbols are called digits. Next, how we find the place value of a digit? To find the place value of a digit, we multiply the number, the value of the place it occupies. Place value of a number. How we find the place value of a number? To find the place value of a number, we multiply the number with the value of its place occupies. Suppose, for example, 2456. Now here, what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4. Here 4 is in hundreds place. 4 into 100. 400. What is the place value of 6? 6 is in ones place. 6 into 1, 6. What is the place value of 2? 2 is in thousands place. 2 into 1000, 2000. Based on these place values, there are two types of number systems: Indian place value system, international place value system. Now we are going to discuss about Indian place value system. Indian place value system. What are the places in Indian place value system? Ones, 1, tens, 10, hundreds, 100. These three ones, tens, hundreds are coming under ones period. Thousands, ten thousands. These two are coming under thousands period. Lakhs, 1 lakh. 10 lakhs. These are comes under lakhs period. Crore, 10 crore. These are comes under crores period. These are the place values in Indian place value system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. In this, ones, tens, hundreds are coming under ones period. Thousands, 10,000s are coming under thousands period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs are coming under lakhs period. Crores and 10 crores are coming under crores period. Crores period. Now, how we write the number in Indian place value system? For example, For example, how we write the given number in Indian place value system? First, we have to divide according to their periods. Ones, tens, hundreds. These three are coming under ones period. We have to put comma here. Thousands, 10,000. Thousands period before we have to put comma. Again, lakhs, 10 lakhs come. Now these are coming under ones period. This is thousands period. This is lakhs period. This is crores period. Now how we write the number? Number name 3 crore 45 lakh 86,000 793. This is the example for how we have to write the given number in Indian place value system. I am explaining again. The given number first we have to write according, we have to split according to their periods. Ones, tens, 100. We have to put comma before the 100 place. Thousands, 10,000s. Again we put comma before the 10,000 place. Again lakhs, 10 lakhs. We put the comma before the 10 lakhs place. And crores. Now 3 crore. 3 is in crores place. 3 crore 45 lakh 86,793. Next, this is Indian place value system. The another place value system is international place value system. International place value system. The places in international place value system: ones, 1, tens, 10, hundreds, 100. These three are coming under ones period. Again, thousands, 1,000, 10,000s, 10,000, 100,000s, these three are coming under thousands period. Next, million, one million, 10 million, 10 million, 100 million, these three are coming under millions period. These three are coming under millions period. Next, billion, $10 billion, $100 billion, these three are coming under billions period. Yes, once again I am repeating again. What are the place values in international place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now I am explaining again. Ones, tens, hundreds are coming under ones period. Thousands, 10,000, 100,000s are coming under thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million are coming under millions period. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion are coming under billions period. Now I am explaining one example for you how to write the given number in international place value system. First we have to write how to write these number in international system. First we have to put the commas according to its place values. Ones, tens, hundred. These are coming under ones period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Thousands period. Again million, 10 million, 100 million. Millions period. Next. 4. It is in billions period. Now how we should write this number? 4 billion. 500 and how we read this number? 509. 509 millions. 509 millions. 509 millions. Next, 867,000. 867,000. 368. 368. I am explaining again. See the example one more time. The given number first we have to split according to its place values. Ones, tens, 100. Before we have to put the comma before the hundreds period. 100, hundreds place next. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. We have to put the comma before 100,000's place. Million, 10 million, 100 million. We have to put the comma before the 100 million place. Next billion. Only one digit is there. We don't put the comma before that. Now 4 billions. 4 billions. We have to read this whole number at a time. 509,867,368.